Hey, I've got to show you something really cool. I've been talking to my grandson on WhatsApp, and we've been playing a little game. We've been creating pink elephants picking tulips in a field. So I'm having AI in WhatsApp generate these. We've been having a little fun this afternoon creating fun pictures by using different prompts. It's a lot of fun and involves using AI in Meta. I'm Ron Brown, and this is Tech for Senior, where we make videos to help seniors understand technology and discover AI. I've been making a series now called AI for the Over 50. I'll put the playlist down below, but you too can follow along as we make these videos. Today I want to talk about AI with Meta, because this is a common suite of applications that many people use. And often you don't know that AI is built into this, which works really quite well. Today I want to show you where you can find AI in Meta and some of the things that you can do with it. So in the past videos I've made, we've talked about Copilot, we've talked about Gemini, and ChatGPT. But today we're going to talk about Meta's artificial intelligence, because AI is becoming a big part of how we interact with technology. And Meta, formerly of course Facebook, is at the forefront of integrating AI into its platforms. Whether you're a casual user, small business owner, or just curious about AI, understanding how Meta uses AI can help you navigate and make most of its features. In this session, we'll break down how AI is used on Meta and how you can take advantage of it. But we need to look at the different platforms. Also, it depends on what country you're in. Certain features will be available depending on your location. So whether you're on mobile, a PC, or what country, it could be different. So I'm going to show you what I have today and how I use AI in Meta. It should be fun. Let's have a look. So just to be clear, one of the reasons I like using Meta is because it's good. It is available on a lot of different services that Meta or Facebook has, and Facebook is very committed, as you saw on the last slide, with a $200 billion data center project in the United States. So it is a big deal for Meta, and it is very good. And it is included with your Facebook account. Now, you will find that depending on what country you are in and what services you are using, that you may find it's a little bit different in each area. So today I'm going to concentrate on the 3 ways that I use it and I have available for myself. And I'm going to take you through those. The first, of course, will be what you've already seen on WhatsApp. We're then going to take you to their website and talk about meta.ai. And then I'm going to show you on the mobile device on Facebook Messenger how I use AI. So let's have a look at that today. So let's have a look at AI on WhatsApp on my PC. So we're going to look and see how it can be used. So let's have a look over onto the left, and you'll see here is Meta AI. And of course, when we click this, you can see of course, the images of the elephant that I was talking about. So yes, you can make images, which I'm not going to go into today, but it's easy to do. And you can have some fun sharing them with whoever you're on WhatsApp with. If you come down here, I typed a message in, how can you use AI on WhatsApp? I asked it, what can you do? And it responded by saying you can use AI in WhatsApp through AI-powered chatbots or AI-generated content. And here are a few ways. AI chatbots. Some businesses and organizations have integrated AI-powered chatbots into their WhatsApp accounts. These chatbots can help answer frequently asked questions, provide customer support, or even have personalized recommendations. Number 2, AI-generated content. You can use AI tools to generate content, such as text, images, or videos, and share it with contacts on WhatsApp. However, please note that WhatsApp has guidelines and restrictions on using AI and automation on its platform. Be sure to check out WhatsApp policies before using AI in WhatsApp. So it is here for you. It is available. If you're in WhatsApp, it is also available on the mobile version of WhatsApp. All right, we're now on the website ℏ.ai. You can go there simply by clicking ℏ.ai in your browser. Now, all the AI programs I've shown you in this series are a little bit different. So let me show you where we are and how this works. So if you look up at the top, you'll see that I'm in a Chrome browser. And I just simply am at ℏ.ai. And this is a website. If you look down to the left here, you'll see that I'm signed in. So I would encourage you to sign in. It's part of your Facebook account. Now, if you come over to the right, you can see the language model that they're going to be using. And you'll see here it's a little bit different, but you can have a look at that. And we'll just leave it as the default. And as you come over to the left, you'll see this is Meta AI. And this is a history of some of the things that I've done. Now, they have created for you a few things that you can do just to have some fun. Or at the bottom here, you can ask Meta AI anything. Now, let's just have some fun with this and see a couple of things that we could do. The first thing it says, write a short story for kids. Maybe that's sort of cool for your grandkids. Okay, let's try that. So we're going to click the button here, write a short story, The Adventures of Benny and the Brave Bear. So it wrote a little article for us. Let's add a cover image. We're going to click here and see what happens. AI is going to generate a cover image. And there you go. So you have a cover image and you have a short story about the adventures of Benny and the Brave Bear. Pretty cool, eh? All right, let's come back to Meta.ai. We're back to where we originally were. Well, hold on, not quite. As you can see on the screen, there's some different things Meta AI can do. So each time you come in and log in, it's going to change things around a bit and give you some other ideas that you can do. So let's look at what they've decided this time. The first thing is to create a vacation packing list. Did you know you could do that? Let's have a look and see what we want to take on our trip. As we click this, it now creates a packing list for you, so you can decide what you want to take on your trip. You can edit this, change it, do all sorts of things with it, but it just gives you a darn good idea so you don't have to go and redo this. All right, you can change, make my email sound more professional. You can take your email, change it around, make it sound more professional. Or let's have a look at the image, imagine an image. Let's click this and let's have a look. A bear eating dinner. That sounds fun. That we could put that maybe in our short story. Let's have a look here. And it's going to create, AI is going to take that concept and it's going to create a whole bunch of images for you that you can use in whatever you want. So here we go. Here's a bunch of images that it create. Remember, you can use these. You can download them. These are your images and you can use them in your story that you're going to make up and share with your grandson. Should be lots of fun. Okay, now the last thing I wanted to show you, and you can play around with this, you'll have some fun with it. I want you to come over to the left and I'm going to show you how to get to the editor. If you come over here to the left, you'll come down here and it says open in editor. When we click this, this brings up a blank document for editing. Now, with this, you could import any documents you want. This is a document management part of AI, and you can do you can do a lot of things with this. So I would encourage you to use this. You can save your project or whatever you're doing and export it to whatever word processor you want. The point of this is that it's all included in your Facebook account. So you don't need to go and spend extra money for this pretty full-fledged AI feature in Meta. So I'm now on my Pixel 8 Pro and we're in Facebook Messenger. So at the top, as you can see here, it says ask Meta AI for search. And this is what you'll see now as AI is incorporated into Messenger. And as we sort of come along now and move, once we click that, you'll see that they're going to give you some options. Let's look at some of the options. Tips for note-taking, workout playlist, give me a personalization quiz. As we come across now and we play and we look, there's a whole bunch of suggestions. You can choose whatever you want as far as asking Meta AI. They're giving you some suggestions. Now, the other thing that's interesting here is I want you to notice this little button here that's on the right-hand side. This allows you to interact with AI with your voice. And if you click this, and I'm going to just move on, Meta AI now has a voice to get you faster answers. So you can choose some of these selections, but the point is that as we come along here and we now want to ask Meta some information, we can do this through an audio. And let's just see how I do this. And now it's asking, how do I help? And I'm going to ask it a question. And I'm going to ask how to write poetry. I've always wanted to be a poet, right? So I'm going to ask it that, and it's going to come up with some answers for me. Again, I didn't have to type anything in. I was just able to use my voice to get the answers for that. Now, this is if I wanted to ask AI what the best honey is. I can actually type that in, but I'm not a very good typer. So as you see in this situation, I'm typing what is the best honey. And here we find it. And AI now is going to go out and it's going to find what is the best honey, and it's going to come up with the answer for me. So you can use AI in Messenger free of charge on your phone. Pretty cool, eh? And you can either do that as a voice input or a text input. Well, it's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. It is a series that I'm making on AI for the over 50. I'll put the playlist in the link below, and one way you can be sure of keeping up with all the videos we make is by hitting that like and subscribe. Until the next video, you have a great day. Bye now.